Pacific Ocean!
Woo! No, man! Una fotografe!
It's raining rain!
No, hallelujah!
No, man. I said it's raining rain.
It's raining rain.
Yes.
It's raining water.
It's raining rain!
Hallelujah, it's raining rain.
How cool is that? And everybody's doing surf here. Well, not everybody, but the ones that are in the water are surfing. Look at that. That's so scary. My girls, I love you. I love you. Wow. So pretty. Hola. Hola, pollito. Hola. Adios. Bye-bye. What? Is there a spider? I'm scared of spiders.
Ay, me encantan.
I was like, I don't know. Where are we going? Tell the vlog. Langata? Was it there when you met?
Yeah.
They met Chris Hemsworth the other day.
No.
Like a random Tuesday, right?
Sonia did it.
You met him. How does he smell like? I'm
And
kidding.
it was Sunday and I was working.
I don't care. He's the best brother. I like el zapataki. ¿Te imaginas que está aquí?
De repente
Y
dije,
digo, tía.
disculpa.
Cuidado. Ah. Que nos vamos, bailando nos olvidamos
De problemas que nos han causado.
Son perfectas.
Mira, ese está formando ahí. Que va a ser.
Wow.
¡Wow!
No, it was there. It was there. So pretty.
Lee, ¿quieres que veamos una peli de surf?
Which one? Oh, look at that one. Look at that one. Whoa.
No, pero estas que vienen por ahí,
Yeah.
que de repente cierran limpísimo. Así, mira.
Whoa. That's huge. That's huge.
Así eran las que me estaban arrollando cuando intenté ir a ver tiburones en Key Rabbit.
Oh. Para habernos matado.
Para habernos muerto del todo, ¿eh?
That's not good. It's raining rain.
Necesito paraguas porque llevo la
Again.
cámara.
Así que vosotros no mojáis. Que yo también llevo cámara.
Ah, sí, pero la
Excuse
tuya,
me.
la tuya no es waterproof. La nuestra sí lo es.
No, it's not.
Sé lo que me da paz.
I love you.
I love you. We are in Burleigh. We are in the national park walking. We're getting to Talaputra Bridge.
Yeah. We can jump.
That's the best, like the best place to shut up. Like the best place to go for a swim in Gold Coast because there's like no waves. Probably there's waves now because the sea is crazy right now. The thing is, are you guys getting wet? Sorry. If we go back, we're not gonna see the sunset.
We're not gonna see the sunset, girl. Look at the sky.
Exactly. So why don't?
Let's go to the. Let's go.
We're on a
I have
mission.
souvenirs to buy for my host family and my friends. And who else? Am I missing something? I have nothing else. So I know because Sonia doesn't know how to use an umbrella.
Sorry.
And you too.
Do you wanna wear it?
No. I'm gonna say bye to you for a little bit, and then when we get to the store or something, I'll show you. Bye.
Slightly raining.
Slightly raining.
Yeah, that's what's going on.
Not like it's
raining, man.
Come here. Birthday cover. I forgot to film in the store, but we bought some things, and my feet are soaked because I was wearing flip-flops.
Flip-flops?
Yeah.
My feet are soaked and I wasn't wearing flip-flops. Which is worse.
Sunglasses.
Tongs.
Thongs?
Yeah, they
For your toes? That's
Yeah.
crazy. That's funny.
Échame agua que esto me tiene malo, que esto me tiene malo. Échame agua que no sé como una mata y te pones a mente tan loca.
Ooh. Like this? No, yeah, like this. Yeah. Oh no, pero... Pero que no sobresalga. There you go. So cool. I love it. And now this one. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Sí. No, porque así queda muy en fila. Yo la pondría o ahí arriba o ahí abajo. Claro, cada vez que la abra va a estar al revés. Good morning, Australia! Another day, another rain. So, there's been a change of plans. I don't know if I told you what we're gonna do today, but we're not doing that anymore today. Maybe we'll do it another day. We're gonna try to find a photo booth because I cannot leave Australia without pictures from a photo booth. And look at this. I found flowers for the junk journal. Let's go get Sophie. Well, actually, we're gonna go to Coles again, and we're gonna buy some cookies for the dog, and we're gonna get Sophie. Ooh, what's wrong with the light? We're gonna get Sophie, and then we're gonna come back here and change probably because I don't like my outfit. And then I don't know. We'll see.
Abrir las galletas. Tía, es que ¿sabes qué pasa? Últimamente estoy comiendo tanto chocolate que me estoy volviendo adicta.
Sí, suele pasar.
Así que abrirme las galletas.
Tim Tam. But you're not gonna have brunch if you eat this.
Don't worry.
Open it.
Don't worry.
Worry, child. Oh, because you're gonna get your period, so you're eating the much.
Mira la bahía, qué bonita. Que no puedo. Toma.
Oh, I'm sad now. I have to come back when it's sunny. Coming to Coachella with me.
When is that?
17th of April. Okay, or so. We'll see.
Girls, I'm happy to tell you that Saturday and Sunday is gonna be
Sunny?
sunny and no raining.
Yeah!
It's not gonna be so hot.
Another day, no more rain.
20 degrees. That's not very
Okay,
hot.
20 is great.
No.
How much
But
is now?
It's not gonna rain. Now. Yeah, 20.
Exactly. With sun, it's gonna be perfect.
And we can go to my jump from the waterfall.
That's
I
nice.
went there, it was raining crazy.
It doesn't matter.
And I
The rain
saw
is not that.
and it was
the-
like I wasn't very wet, so
Yeah, the rain is not that annoying here. Like it doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me. Cause it's warm, and we're in Australia, so it can rain. It doesn't matter. What is it? What is the song? No importa que llueva, si estoy cerca de ti. Na 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 na. ¿Quieres probar el té? No try it. Sabe a miel.
¿Este sabe a limón? Está muy bueno, pero me gusta más el mío. No, este limoncito. Esto a Son en frío le gustaría.
Porque le gusta el iced tea.
No sé.
I'm in love with this.
¿Pero le pones algo de mantequilla? No. Eso no está loca.
Llevará mantequilla, digo yo. Pero vamos a ver.
Lleva leche.
nada, por fin.
¿Lo has hecho? ¿Ya está? 5 años aquí me he tirado.
Tía, pero ¿qué dices?
Has hecho en menos de 15 minutos.
No.
Eres una exagerada. Bueno, tomamos esto, sacamos lo de la secadora y nos hacemos las fotitos.
Vamos a hacer.
Una así, vale.
Vale, otra sí. Corazones. Espera. Pero sin taparnos la cara, o sea, para abajo. Porque la cámara está aquí.
Vale.
Para abajo.
Y otra...
Y otra.
Me dais un besito, así.
Vale, sí. Experiencing a problem, we want to
A ver,
make
te
it
han
right.
cobrado seguro, en plan 8,25.
Es la 1.
¿Y si la apago y la enciendo?
¿Por qué?
¿Por
Lo desenchufas.
Si no se puede llamar a este teléfono.
Luego hay que hacer.
Ponemos una reseña.
No, qué reseña ni qué hostias, tía, que son $40 que nos acabamos de gastar.
Vale,
Reseña
¿y
ni
qué hostias quieres que van?
What do you recommend?
Oreos.
Oreos. Y un poco de esto, ¿no?
This one's mine.
Así y ya.
Y luego tienes la mejor parte.
Las pistachos.
I get this one and that one.
Hala.
¿Qué tal? ¿Has cogido? ¡Hola!
I wanna try this. What is this? Is this like gum? Gummies?
Parece como delicias turcas de eso.
Yo no lo he probado nunca.
Está bueno.
I don't like it.
También el de pistacho.
Y el pistacho and cookies.
Yo pensaba que iba a estar el de disco.
I was thinking about it.
Está bueno.
But no, it's pistachio and all of that.
Oreo,
crema de pistacho y crema de pistacho con vinagre.
pistachio cream.
I'm gonna explode.
Colombia! They got confused. We built it upside down. We went to have brunch before dropping off Sonia.
Well, brunch.
Well,
3 burgers and some fries.
yeah, and look at these. They give us this thing. So cutesy. Yes. And this is supposed to be for donations, but they have a lot. And I want. How do I say this without sounding like the worst person?
Don't say anything. This was supposed to be for the name. No, but it wasn't like that. ¿Cómo se llama la chapa?
La tapa.
This
The
thing
ca-
is
the can,
like,
I
yeah,
don't know.
it's to vote which organization the restaurant have to donate some money. It's not a donation. I mean, you're not taking money away from anything.
Okay, yeah. That's it.
You
I
make
feel
it
like-
sound a lot worse than it was.
This is gonna be for the, how do you say this? Memory box? Because this cannot go in the junk journal. But I have a lot of junk, don't worry about it. Oh, an accident.
Where?
What do you mean? Do you not see that? ¿No acabas de ver un coche subido ahí? Pero tía, open your eyes though! This is the first time it's been sunny since I got
And
here.
it's dark again.
No, but you can see the sun a little bit there.
Yeah, but it's gonna be the sunset in an hour.
We can see the sunset.
Yeah,
No?
well, we walk.
Oh my gosh. That one's dancing. Wow. They're huge.
Yeah. You have to see them fly.
I'm scared.
Look at this one.
Those are scary. They're like Dracula. Batman, is that you? Where is it? Right here? Oh yeah. They get in the shower. They're showering. Yeah.
Míralo, cómo te con el tripito, cómo era el cangurito, güey.
Oh my god. No. Wow. Hola, sí, un poquito. Mira. Wow. Wow. Look at that one. Wow. And look, I found a lot of flowers for the junk journal. They're a little bit wet and dirty because they're all on the floor. But it's okay, I'll clean them. Well, this just happened. It was a matter of time. I didn't bring more pants, more jeans or whatever it's called. Because I brought these ones for Sonia. Actually, I have to make a TikTok about it. Because I've brought all my clothes so Sonia can use them. We're sisters everywhere. Even if we're not living together, we live in different continents. She can always use my clothes. And that's the thing. She's my little sister. And Sophia's not gonna get it because she's gonna go back to Spain. She's only gonna bring one suitcase to Spain. So that's why she's not keeping my clothes. But if she would have stayed or if she wanted, she could.
Thank you.
It's not like I'm a
gonna
bitch.
keep the cherries.
The cherry sweater
Yeah.
and
100%.
and the underwear. Let's go! You call it jumper. I can't.
Jumper thongs, never flip-flops. The barbecue is Barbie, the avocado is Able,
Ew.
like Apple here.
We're gonna play mini golf. Let's go.
Thank you. Vale.